Hi guys, it's Alissa Todd and welcome to this week's money tip. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. I'm a financial advisor and I share weekly money tips here on my YouTube channel, all things personal finance to help you get educated. And this week, I wanted to share with you my top 3 takeaways from the Investment News Women Advisor Summit that I attended and how they can apply to your finances and money situation as well. My first key takeaway came from Christy Rutherford, and she shared her 3 keys to unleash your potential and to go from success to significance. 1, find out who or what you're investing your time and energy to. 2, get clear on your future and stop going around in circles. And 3, the art of saying no. And your decision to participate should be based on how you will feel and your expected return. And this relates to really budgeting, I thought. Find out where or who you're spending all of your money on, and then get clear on the financial goals and your values and how you want to spend your money so that you can say no to all of the things and experiences and people that don't align with your values and your long-term vision for yourself, so that you can really spend your money in a meaningful way to match your own lifestyle. The second key takeaway for me came from a panel discussion regarding your personal brand, and that your brand is a fluid thing and it's okay to reinvent yourself and change your brand. Just stay authentic to yourself and your values. And this really relates to financial goals, as financial goals will most likely change over time as well. Your goals are fluid and it's okay to change your goals even if you haven't accomplished them and you decide to go in a complete different direction. Your goals are fluid and they change as your own situation change. My third key takeaway came from the last session, which was all about communicating with people and clients with different communication and personality styles. And it's not about what you say, it's what they hear. So it's not about what you say, it's what they hear. I mean, what a great reminder. And this really got me thinking about communicating about money with your significant other, with your family. If you have a significant other, you're not seeing eye to eye on financial goals or issues, it may be that you have different values regarding money, or you're maybe not communicating your financial or money values and goals in a way that your partner can understand. Because it's really important to remember that money is an emotion thing, and just be really mindful that other people might have different values or views on money. And a financial advisor can sometimes also serve as a great third party to act as kind of a mediator, to find that neutral ground and help you both accomplish your goals. So those are my 3 key takeaways. If you like to use money as a tool to live the life that you love, our team can help you. So let's get connected by sending me a message or scheduling a time to talk using the link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any topic suggestion or questions about your personal situation, let's get connected. Have a great day, guys.